Welcome to this video casting. My name is Nicholas from the Office Superheroes channel. Today we're going to demonstrate the if function, which performs a logical comparison of two values in Excel. The result of the if function is either true or false. It's easier than you might have thought. So what are you curious about? Well, let's get to it. Let's click on the cell in which we want to display the result. We'll enter the equal sign. This is a signal to Excel that we are about to write a formula. Enter if. The formula window will appear. Click on if. Now we will need to enter three entries. A logical test that Excel will evaluate, and two different values. One will be displayed if the result of the logic test is true, and the other if it is false. First, we start with a logic test. In this formula, we will compare whether we have enough goods or we need to reorder goods. So we need to see if the number in cell C3, the number of vegetables in stock, is less than 15. This way we can compare whether something is smaller, bigger, or the same. We enter a comma. Now Excel needs a value that will be displayed as the result if the condition we entered comes out as true. Next, we enter a value that will be valid if the condition comes out as false. Enter the first value that will be displayed if the condition is true. Enter order. Remember that the text must always be in quotes. Again, enter a comma. Move on to enter the second value. This value will be displayed if the condition is false. For us, it will be no action. This means that if we have less than 15 vegetables in stock, this value will be displayed. We will add quotation marks. We entered all the data into our spreadsheet. Only one thing remains. Close the parentheses and press enter. Well done. The function immediately evaluated if we have enough goods or if we need to reorder. But what if we want to copy the formula to the next line? No problem. Just click on the cell where we have the formula entered and drag its bottom right corner to all the rows where we want to use the formula. Done. It was a piece of cake, wasn't it? Thank you for watching this video. I hope it helped you. If it did, let us know via a comment or a like. Would you like to see more videos on how to learn how to work with Excel quickly and really easily? If so, be sure to subscribe. That's all from me. I'm Nicholas from Office Superheroes and I hope to see you in the next video.